Hi friends, in this particular tutorial, we will be studying how to find out the deadline in Power Query in Microsoft Excel. So here I have a sheet in which I have the headings like name of the agent, the course which is assigned to him, the start date of his course, and the total days allowed to him to finish the course. So I want to find out his deadline date, and that too using Power Query. So let me show you how you can do that. First, click anywhere inside the data. Then right click over here and select Get Data from Table Range. Select My Table has headers and click on OK. Now once you're in Power Query, you can see that the date has been converted into date and time. So we'll first change this data type. So we'll click over here and we'll change it to the type as only date. It will ask you change the column type. I'll select replace current. So only dates are shown. Same way for days allowed, I will select whole number. Then for course, it is text, and for agent name also it is text. So that is correct. Now I want to find the deadline. So for this, I will select add column. In add column, I'll select custom column. For the column name, I'll give the heading like deadline. And then over here, I'll give the formula dates dot add date, and then what you want to add. So I want to add, I'll give an open bracket, and I want to add start date, comma, days allowed, close bracket. Now you can see no syntax errors have been detected. I will click on OK, and it will give me this date plus the days allowed, and it will give me the future deadline date. After that, I can click on Home and select Close and Load. This will send me back to Excel with the computed data. Now, if it is showing you the date in the form of a number, just select the column, right click on it, select Format, and change the data type to date. So here click on number, select date, and click on OK, and you will get the date. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.